Anyway, I'm back at the yard over here. I don't know who owns this. I'm not sure who owns this piece of crap Taurus, but they should have sent this Taurus to the junkyard a long time ago. This piece of crap was taking up an important space, man. Looks like somebody that maybe somebody works for Amazon. I think that's what that is. That's an Amazon parking pass. Anyway, that's just the way I feel about it. Hey there, we're back at it again. California. We got a California plate right here, man. Out of state plate, man. Tag's expired, man. They need to transfer the tag over to Georgia, I guess. Maybe they're visiting, but I gotta load it up, man. Hey, what? Hey! Yeah. What's going on, man?
What's going on?
You got stickered, man.
Yeah, I already took care of that. I already told the people at the front office a few months ago.
Okay. You got documentation on the tag?
Yeah, I already paid for my tax in California. They haven't seen my sticker.
So you got proof you paid it?
Yeah.
Okay, you show me proof you paid it, and I'll drop it.
Yeah, hold on. Let me get my phone.
Okay. Yeah, if you got it, you should have it on an email or something. If he's paid the tag, man, I'll drop it. I mean, I don't have to, but I will drop it if it's been paid for and he can prove it. Yeah. I'll drop it, man.
All right, on. I was like, boy, did you not pay the car note? Yeah, I did. I'm like, oh, I don't have $600.
No, I tell you, they if y'all are new here, man, a lot of the complexes they tow periodically, man. People park different out-of-state plates on properties and they wind up hot. They wind up abandoned. Sometimes it takes months in order for them to come back and somebody get the car back, you know, if they ever do.
There you go.
Okay. Yeah, you're good, man. That's fine. If you got a key, I'll roll it back in that same spot. Hey, we're back. Got another one here. This car here has been sitting in this parking place, or sitting in two parking places for a long time. I don't know who parked this car here in this manner, but this piece of crap needs to get towed off. Anyway. Got no tag on it. We're gonna go ahead and get this one loaded up right now. This is ridiculous. You know, this has got to be one of the most blatant examples of parking entitlement. This person's car broke down. They took up two places, never even tried to at least put the car in one parking place. But it's been sitting here. It's been sitting here for months, double parked. Anyway, we're gonna roll and grab another one. There we go. Let's see what happens.
So just put the sticker on there. I just got home from working overnight. I'm just trying to see.
I'll tell you what, man, you got two choices, man. You can pay it out if you want.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see what the sticker was for. How much is it?
It's $100 to drop it on site, but you'll have to move it. I mean, does it run?
No, it literally just died like a week ago. I had to get a new engine.
Damn.
And I got to get a new tag. I was going to get the tag today.
Yeah. That's one of them catch-22s, man. They do it once a month here. Or they tow once a month here. It's just
put the sticker on there yesterday. Literally, it stopped running like a week ago.
I know. This property here, they give 24 hours. That's just what each property can do what they want.
I mean, I'm gonna talk to them because the last time they put the sticker on it, they gave me 3 days after they put the sticker on it.
Yeah, it's up to the manager on duty, whoever's on duty.
Right.
Like I said, it don't run.
Nah, it literally the engine just went out like literally went out last week.
But see, if it ran, if it did run, then I could I could leave it. I could do a payout, but not running. I can't leave it here if it don't run.
All right.
That's pretty nice gentleman, and he stayed calm the whole way through it, but his car didn't run. If his car did run, I could leave it here, but it's been sitting in that space. He said it just quit running a week ago. That car's been parked in that spot for many months, so we know that's not true. It didn't just stop running last week. Anyway, we're gonna roll to the next one. Here's another one we got here. Anyway, let's see what happens.
Excuse me, why is my car getting towed?
You're here just in time to pay it out.
What was that?
You're here just in time to pay it out.
What do you mean?
You're parked in the grass. You're stickered right here.
But they said that we could park right here in the front, the people from the apartment complex.
Okay. Well, you're stickered parked in the grass, right?
In the grass?
Well, what do you think? This is not parking area.
No, I had parked it over here before, and there was a sticker, and that's why we moved it out here, because everybody parks right here. That's why there's no grass right here, sir.
And that's why they're trying to get people not parked out here.
Well, the apartment complex, everybody
Hey,
parks out here.
this is water line right here too. These are
I
water lines.
understand that, but I never park in front of here. You know, I'm not blocking anything that anybody has to get through.
Well, the meter guy's got to get right here to check the meters.
Is my car right there? I'm not in the way. My car has a tag. They told me I couldn't park there. Okay, that's fine. I understand that. You know, everybody parks here. You come at night. Look, there's another truck parked over there. You go down there, you're gonna see a whole bunch of people.
That guy's parked in the road down there. He's not parked in the grass.
But I'm not parked. If I park right here, somebody's gonna hit me. I'm gonna be in the road.
Yeah.
They've never told me anything about not parking here. I understand over there, yeah, you know, but I mean, I don't understand who even put a fucking sticker on my car. I had a sticker before because it was parked over there, but not here.
Well, it's just against code. You don't just park in the grass.
I'm gonna go up there and ask her, and that way, you know, I mean, because obviously I don't want to get my car towed.
She may not want to park here.
Yeah.
I don't know. She may want me to tow it, but it's not going to get towed right now without me verifying. Without me verifying it, whether or not she wants the cars here. Don't want them. I'm not going to tow it and make a mistake. I'm just going to go to my next car. You know.
I appreciate that. I appreciate you so much.
Anyway, I got a little Jeep Patriot down here. Location of where it's at and the condition of the vehicle. I'm pretty sure somebody's driving it, so they're probably home. I'm gonna try to swoop down here and get it hooked before they come out. There's a good possibility somebody's gonna come out. Anyway, we're gonna see. Hey there, I'm at the office right now, and the person that owns the Jeep Patriot we just hooked, they emailed the office right after I backed up to it and started hooking it. They sent an email and asked the office not to tow it. The problem is I've had 3 days to do it. You can't wait till the tow guy is backing up to the car to try to get off the hook. You got to call ahead of time. They can call while we're here. If they call while we're here, the office can call my phone number and tell me not to tow that car. If somebody calls while we're here, it's too late to call once you've already been hooked. So he asked me to wait, give this resident a little bit of time and see if they can pay it out on property. I got no problem doing that. The office asked me to wait, give them a few minutes, so that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna see what happens.